Friends, we didn't have any problems with the first trade. Great, moving on. I'm very happy. Little bit nervous, but still got my third win in the row.
Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an Oslo's Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me in private messages I want to join the VIP. See you!
Friends, in the comments under my past videos, you asked me to show you a very simple and clear strategy that even a beginner can repeat. You asked, I did. Let me show it to you. We start, of course, by launching Pocket Options, my favorite trading platform. I left a link to it in the description below this video. And we begin to set the necessary settings. Choose chart types, candles, time frames 1 minute. The trade execution time is strictly 2 minutes, that is 2 candles. Next, go to the Indicators tab and select Zig Zag and Moving Average twice. That is, in total we will display 3 lines, the Zig Zag indicator and 2 moving averages. Choose settings for the Zig Zag indicator: deviation 5, depth 3, backstep 3 and click Save. Next, select the settings for the first moving average indicator, period 2, moving average SMA. Go to the settings of the third indicator, period 5 and moving average SMA. Don't forget to save.
Watch this video carefully and you will learn one of my main principles in trading, which helps me to consistently earn good money.
So friends, how do you find the entry point in this strategy? Look, we first need to find the intersection of the 2 lines of the moving average indicators. Here, look, the light blue line crosses the blue line from the bottom up. And this is already for us the initial sign that we need to open a deal for higher. Now, we need to confirm our hypothesis with the Zig Zag indicator. It is this yellow indicator that will show us the direction of our trade, whether the candles will go up or down. That is, thus, we need to first mark the intersection of 2 moving lines. And at this very moment, the Zig Zag indicator should show us the direction of the candles. Here, pay attention. Here is the situation that the light blue indicator crosses the blue indicator from top to bottom, and the yellow indicator also shows us the direction down. This is the best time to open a 2 candles down bet. And the most important thing in the strategy is not to wait until the candle next to which the light blue and blue line crossed closes. Here you cannot wait for this, but immediately open a deal. Before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my Oslo's trading guide. My guide is a collection of all of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn good money without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What do you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it and write me in private messages, I want a guide. Do it right now, then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. Let's return to our interesting strategy and let's finally test in practice. So, I find the first situation, open a trade down by 2 candles, wait. So, friends, we didn't have any problems with the first trade. Great, moving on. Friends, I will be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. I find the second entry situation, all the conditions are met. I open a deal. Look, our second deal is coming to an end. Just assure, no problem. I'm very happy. Here is the third situation. Lines crossed and zigzag showing down direction. Entering trade down. Little bit nervous, but still got my third win in the row. So friends, what can I say about this strategy? the strategy is very simple. The indicators we used simply show us good situations for entering trades. Therefore, I can safely recommend the strategy to all traders, both beginners and experienced ones, because the strategy really shows confident results without any problems. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope I was helpful to you today. If so, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, like and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye!